Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn the last 8 vowels for consonants with O sounds. Before we do that, let's do a review. E, I, E, U, 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 Ua, I, A, I, O. Now let's continue to learn the last 8 vowels. The first one is O, O, and the next one is The third one is also pronounced So the second and third one has the same pronunciation. And for the fourth one, and now let's continue to the fifth one. The fifth one is The sixth one is The sixth one is I. And for the last one, Now let's read them all together again. O, I. There you go guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!